How to join a Discord server without an invite. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with, you need to tap open your Discord application in your mobile device. Make sure that you are logged in into your account. To join a Discord server without an invite, it is quite not possible. So what you can do is you can reach out to the server admin and ask them to invite you. Now the necessary setting that you can perform during the creation of the server invite is that you can set it on expiration to never. Just click on invite to friend and tap on link setting, then ask them to place it on expire after never, which will allow them to invite friends or members accordingly, and they don't have to worry about the expiration of the link. Neither you have to worry about not being able to join a Discord server. After you have joined it, you can text, you can share your screen, play a game, stream your gameplay, and more. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.